If your Honda K-Series transmission makes a loud metallic grinding sound or pops out of gear when you shift from first to second at high engine speeds, you have worn out your synchronizer rings and shift detent springs. This happens because the factory brass rings cannot handle the speed of a fast shift above 8,000 revolutions per minute. At those high engine speeds, the difference in velocity between the internal shafts is very large. These brass rings rely on friction to slow the second gear assembly down so the teeth can lock together smoothly. After 60,000 miles of hard driving, that friction surface wears completely flat. It no longer has the braking force needed to match speeds in the split second you move the shifter. This results in the shift sleeve crashing into the spinning gear teeth, which is the grind you hear. Changing your transmission fluid or adjusting the clutch pedal are only temporary fixes for this physical metal wear. To fix this correctly, you must remove the transaxle and split the aluminum case open. Use a gear puller set to take the main shaft apart, so you can remove the damaged factory parts. You should replace them with Synchrotech carbon-lined synchronizers because they provide a much better grip during high-speed shifts than the original brass. You also need to install hybrid racing heavy-duty detent springs to keep the shift fork locked firmly in place. While the transmission is out, swap your plastic factory clutch master cylinder for the older EM1 style from a Civic Si. This older part ensures the clutch fully disengages so the transmission can sync up without fighting the engine. If you keep driving with this grind, you will eventually round off the gear teeth until the car will not stay in second gear at any speed. Check your clutch master cylinder for fluid leaks before you start ordering internal transmission parts. To keep your transmission healthy, always make sure the clutch pedal is pushed completely to the floor during every high engine speed shift. Checking your fluid level every 10,000 miles can also help you spot problems early. If you ignore the grind, you will eventually need to buy an entirely new gear set, which costs a lot more than just replacing the rings now.